Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Rocket Lab just several days ago, to be exact on July the 3rd of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at around $100 mark. And I told you that we potentially could see this type of ABC to the upside, and in order to catch the C wave, we had to hold this yellow line at the price point of roughly $91.9. And guys, take a look right here. This is the actual price action of Rocket Lab, and I made my previous video when the price of this asset was at this point. And as I told you, we retested, we saw this movement to the downside. That was a potential retest of this level of $92.9, and it broke it with the flying colors. And for now, guys, as you can see, it is retesting this bottom. And yes, unfortunately we didn't have this type of movement to the upside, but we, as I mentioned, we broke this level, this yellow line, and this means this breakdown was eliminated. So as you can see, technical analysis works perfectly well, and if you know how to react on these actions, on these price actions, you will be consistently profitable. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, and if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. TRWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and on today's video I will show you what should we expect next from the price action of Rocket Lab, how you can benefit out of this, and what catalysts we might expect in the upcoming weeks. So first of all, let's begin with the general sentiment related to Rocket Lab stock. And in order to find it out, you have to type in Google search bar RKLB stock and switch to new stock folder. And I want to pay attention to this article. Wait a second, it was published just several days ago on blackeconomy.com, and it's titled Rocket Lab stock, why this space stock is outperforming expectations. And here is the bullet points. Rocket Lab delivered Q1 revenue of $20.3 million, marking a 63.5% increase compared to the same period last year, with the contract backlog reaching $2.2 billion. An $8 billion acquisition of Iridium Communications is pending, which would integrate an operational satellite constellation serving 2.5 million subscribers. The company secured a $190 million heist agreement with Kratos Defense, representing its largest launch contract to date. Wall Street consensus rates the stock a moderate buy, with the mean price target of $108.24 compared to the current trading price near $83.91. Notable headwinds, including neutron development setbacks, continued quarterly losses, significant insider share disposals, and reliance on key customers. And guys, Now let me pay attention to just negative factors that might affect the Rocket Lab price, and here they are. Neutral. The heavy lift vehicle essential for larger government and commercial payloads has been rescheduled to Q4 2026 following technical complications. Profitability remains elusive. The company posted net loss of $45 million in Q1, with adjusted EBITDA losses forecast between $20 to $26 million in the current quarter. Revenue concentration presents another vulnerability. The 5 largest customers generated 49% of 2025 revenue, while the top 5 backlog accounts represent 77% of committed future business. US government contracts alone comprised 47% of 2025 revenue. And definitely, when you see this type of extremely high level of revenue from just several customers, it can definitely be an issue if these customers, well, switch to another company, for example, SpaceX. Next one. Insider transactions have accelerated recently. Collectively, SVP and CFO sold about $362.8 million in stock over the trailing 90-day period. On top of that, guys, we have not the highest price targets from analysts, despite the fact that the top price is set at $150. Let me show you this on a chart like forecast. As you can see, for now, the current price is very close to the lowest forecast for the stock. The average price is set at $119, which implies about 46% of upside potential, and the highest price target is set at $150. And yes, on the one hand, it is very good forecasts, but on the other hand, guys, unfortunately, with the most recent price action, we might expect not the best performance for the stock, but if you know how to benefit out of its intraday and short swing trades, it can definitely be a very lucrative trades for you. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let me show you again this type of ABC correction from this top, and let me project one more time the length of the C wave from the length of the A wave. And to do so, just pull a fib extension tool from this top to this bottom and to the top of the B wave. As you can see, we have the range of support at roughly $82, which was the 0.786 fib level, and we had a reaction out of this level. But this asset didn't reach one-to-one extension, the most common ratio between A wave and C wave projected from the top of the B wave. Which means, guys, if this level of $80 breaks, we have to see $71 as the next potential level of support. On top of that, guys, you know that C wave should have a 5-wave structure on it, and for now we are pretty much at the end of this structure. If this is the wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, we don't have the breakout, which eliminate the entire structure above this previous swing high, and this is the contender of the wave 5. We can definitely have, with this deep retracement into the 4th wave to the upside, we can definitely have a double bottom pattern, which means, guys, this is the range where Rocket Lab might have at least a short-term trend reversal for the next, let's say, from days to couple of weeks at most. Which means, guys, if you want to benefit out of its movement to the upside, you can cautiously accumulate your position, because from the current price all the way down to $71, so we might expect, let me pull this green rectangle right here. This range might be the range of trend reversal for this asset, and from this level we might see a movement to the upside. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.